jab, cross, 4 count, double jab, cross. Then pick up your back heel in the cross. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, double jab, cross. 40 seconds one side, change sides, left foot forward, elbows in, guard up, same again. Floor to sky jump, feet wide apart, chest up, touch the floor. Easy option, low option, just touching the floor. High option, touch the floor, reach up. Just power up high as you can. In-out push-ups. The low option is make sure your knees are on a mat or on a towel. Hands wide, make sure your chest comes forward. So in-out push-ups, you're going down, come inside, elbows on the inside, chest forward. Just walk out. And you can power it with a plyo one, so it's powering up. A bit more intense. You can come on the toes as well. Chest up. So you're coming down, up, and just walk it in. Down, make sure your elbows go past your ribs again. So the big one is the plyo one. Burpees, basic burpee, the low option for a burpee is feet wide, hands inside the feet, chest up. You've got to look up, remember look up, don't look at the floor. Elbows inside the knees, right foot back, left foot back, feet outside the hand, and then lift the chest on the way up, basic, low option. Big option, hands inside the feet, maybe look up again, hands in, jump. Climbers, common fault for a climber is the hips being too high and doing this, yeah, or the hands being too far forward. So try and set yourself up with your hands below the shoulders, knees close to the floor, hips down. A low option is just here, tighten the core. High option, fast as you can. Jab, cross, uppercut. So jab, cross on the left pad first, jab, cross, and then right uppercut on the right pad. "40 seconds work, change sides, left foot forward, guard up, jab, cross on the right pad. So jab, cross on the right, left uppercut on the left. Power star jump, so feet about shoulder width apart. You sit back, low option, you cross your hands over as you come down. So cross hands over and lift your chest. So fairly easy low option. Try and go low, so you're sitting right back on the heels, chest up. High option, it's powering up, boom. Try and go as high as you can. Feet wide apart. Exhale as you jump up. Superman plank. Low option, hands below the shoulders, knees below the hips. So you'll be your left foot, right hand, reaching out, squeeze, and down, change. Hold it for about 3 seconds, and then change. High option on the toes. Make sure you look at the floor. On the toes, just reach out. Try and get your foot level with your hands. Spear hand to the front. Long jump. The low option is just going to half jump. So you bend the knees up, try and power the arms up. So you're punching up as you jump. So you breathe in, exhale and land. So 90-degree angle to land, don't go too low. So low option is just here. High option is jumping forward and running back. Yeah, so it's full option. Last drill is uppercuts for 20 seconds and then jabs for 20 seconds. The pad holder wants to put 1 foot forward, because if it's straight on starts sitting, they'll just fall back. Yeah, so make sure you've got 1 foot forward. So uppercuts, 20 seconds. 20 seconds work, jabs, 20 seconds work,